Hey guys, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making slime and we are going to be making unicorn slime, which is awesome. I love unicorn slime, love all the different colors and the glitter. So let's get started. So I have all my ingredients laid out in front of me and the first thing we're going to start with is some glue, and I'm going to use Elmer's glue. So I'm not sure how much to make. I think we're going to make a lot because we need to divide it into different colors after for the unicorn slime. So I think we'll add that much is good. And I'll show you guys how much. This is how much I have. It's a good amount. It's really good to start with. So next I'm going to add in some shaving cream to make it fluffy. So it's going to be like a fluffy unicorn slime, which is so cool. I love fluffy slime. I probably put too much, but that's okay. The fluffier the better. So I'm just going to mix this, and I'm also going to add a bit of water in, so we're just going to do that quickly. Perfect. I'm just going to mix this up, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I have mixed it up. It's looking very nice. So now we're just going to add the activator because I'm going to add the color after I activate it. So it's time to activate now. Let's go. So I have finished activating my slime. It's really nice and it's really good. It's really stretchy. So now that we're finished, it is time to take it out of the bowl and do our colors, which I'm so excited about. It turned out really, really well. So the colors we are going to be using are pink, blue, purple, and white. So we're just going to keep a little part of it white. So I'm just going to break my slime into 4 different sections to add the different colors, and then we're going to mix them all together and top it off really cute. Okay, so this is about even. It's pretty good. So we're going to put one to the side because that's going to be our white one. And I think we're going to start off with pink because pink is my favorite color, and I think we just need to start with that one. So I'm just going to start off with 1 drop and mix it through and see how it turns out. So I love the tint of pink. Pink is so pretty. Just going to keep mixing it and hopefully it'll get a bit darker so we can see it a bit more. Oh, there we go. It's breaking through. So it's going really mixing the pink one. It's a really pretty color. I like it a lot. And now it's time to move on to the next one, which I think we'll do blue. Blue is really pretty. I hope to do a robin egg blue. That'd be great. So it's pretty dark. We're just going to mix it and I'm going to see how it turns out. Let's see. Probably going to stain my hands now. It's okay, I'll come off. So I'm just going to keep mixing this one and we'll add in the purple. So I'm just going to add a drop again for all of them. Just I want light colors because I think unicorn colors are pretty light. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to mix the last little bit and we'll mix them all together, which I'm so excited for because they're so pretty. And then we're going to do a swirl, which is great. Love that. I'm going to continue mixing and I'll get back to you. So I've mixed them all through and this is what the purple looks like. It's really pretty. It's like a violet color. Here we have the pink. It's a pretty rose color. And the blue. It's a robin egg blue, which is great. And then we just have the white one. So now it is finally time to mix all 4 of them and then add some glitter on top. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm sort of going to line them up all in a row. So the first one is the white. I'm just going to make it not too long, but long enough. That's good. Next, I think we're going to do the blue. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's touching. Next, we're going to do the purple. And then lastly, the pink. Oh my gosh, you guys. Time to pick it up. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, I love the color. Oh, this is awesome. You guys should definitely try this out at home. It's so easy, but the result is beautiful. That is great. Okay, we're gonna swirl it again to a slime swirl. And we're going to add our glitter. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna put it down here. And I've got 3 types of glitter, a pretty light blue color, gold, and pink. So I'm just going to use a bit of each one, and I'll sprinkle it in the middle. So we're just going to do about that much. There we go. I don't want too much because I still want it to be a bit plain, and so you can still see the colors. Let's see how this one. Oh, I love this blue. The blue looks really nice with it. Okay, and we're going to do the final one, which is the little pink one. And let's add a bit of this one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna add some more blue and some more gold because you can never have too much glitter. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, and we're just going to mix it now. Oh my goodness, guys, it's such a pretty slime. So I want to see what color it turns, because now it's starting to fade into a purple. So I'm going to keep mixing it and see what color it turns out. Down below what color you guys think the slime will turn out. So this is what the slime turned out in the end. It's a really pretty purple color. So it turned out to be purple. It's really nice, and I really like it. And it's also got a bunch of glitter. It's so pretty. It's so nice, and I love it a lot. So now I'm going to do a slime swirl and a poke test, and we'll do our slime test. So first we're going to do our slime swirl. So we're going to swirl it around, and then we're going to swirl it on the ground. So here we go. We're going to start swirling it. Woohoo! It's so pretty. I like it a lot. Now we're going to do our click test. So I'm going to be quiet, and you guys can hear it. So this is what it looks like. It's got a really nice click sound. Listen to this. It's so good. I like it a lot. So now we're going to do a bubble. Well, that didn't work. Just a little tiny bubble. But now we're going to do another bubble. Let's see if we can get it bigger. We're going to try it a different way. We're going to try it this way. Ah! It worked. I like to do this with my bubbles. I like to take a little piece of slime and drop it through. Not sure if it'll work. And you can see it sink through. It's so cool. I really like doing that. It's awesome. You guys, I think I found out a new way. Instead of clicking, we can do bottle poking. Listen to this. Oh my gosh, it works so well. Wait, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, listen. It's so cool. I like this sound a lot, and let's try to make one more bubble before we're done. Woo! Now I'm just gonna take a bit of this slime and drop it through. We're gonna see if it works. That's so cool. I really like it. It's great. So now this is the final product. This is what it looks like. I really like it. It's super nice. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys!